July starter kit from Chalkcouture is here, and it's better than ever. Check out its cute new gift box that makes it so fun to open and keep. What's inside is even better, and new compartments keep everything pretty and just where they should be. Check out the folder first. There's that amazing autumn-winter collection catalog in it, plus a startup guide with great tips for you. And here's the good part: transfers! You'll get lots of designs to create with, and some pretty great business supplies too, like these adorable thank you cards to share with your customers in such cute designs. Plus, our top-selling surface ever, Board and Base. The Chalkcouture apron is your friend for any kind of project or event. I love it! And you gotta have the squeegee, and of course, check it out, a pack of 12 chalkable chips. Perfect way to do chalking demos. Now there are 5 pastes. Look at these, just waiting for you to make gorgeous seasonal projects with, each one hand-picked to be right on trend. Then pop out that tray for the last and best surprises, the Club Couture Transfer of the Month. It's a surprise. And voila, our signature couture gallery board in 9x12 with an Aiden frame. It's everything you need to start your own DIY decor journey. The Chalkcouture Starter Kit makes it easy.